in this otology, I am presenting a lecture about AI technology and auditory verbal therapy and how to implement it with my complex cases. And then I have been in this otology for conference for 3 times, and I'm willing to be part of the Otology 2026. And the experience of being here in the Otology is collaborating with different type of team members, like audiologists, the surgeon, speech-language pathologist, audiologist, and we are sitting in the panel discussion, and we discuss about different things which level up our knowledge about the updated studies and updated lectures. So it's my pleasure, and I thank the committee of having me in this conference.